Good morning, good day, good evening, wherever this may bring you. John the Ferryman here. Package. Bit of an unboxing. Very excited about this one. From Kazakhstan this one was. Let's open it up, have a look what's in it. Where do we go? Let's go there. Let's go there. And down underneath, I presume. I've been very and excited about this one turning up. Okay, Kazakhstan Post, let's have a look what we got. Alrighty. Now, sorry, I don't have a translator right at this second, but what I hold here, hopefully this is true and correct and is exactly what it's supposed to be, and not just a copy, which I think it may be. But anyway, let's take this from Russia's hands. The Wagner Group ration, apparently. Wasn't cheap, let's say. But I very much doubt we would get hold of one of these. Let's open it and have a look what is inside. It's supposed to be a dried ration. It's got a seal. I'll see if I can peel that. So no. Well, slice through. Let's have a look in this. Dried ration from the Wagner Group, apparently. Matches, napkin. Biscuits stove. I'm going to say Tonic drink. That, having pictures of apples on it, would be an apple jam. Coffee, 2 teas. Cleaning wipes by the feel. Sugar. 60 grams of sugar. Disinfectant tabs. 4 packets of biscuits. I believe chocolate. Good old Russian Nutella. Oh, only wish. I believe a little bit crushed that one. Some 3 spoons. Breakfast, lunch and tea. This is a 24-hour ration, or sold as a 24-hour ration. It's supposed to be a dried ration. Seems to have pretty much similar sort of things as a regular ration so far. I believe that one's cheese. I believe one of these would be a vegetable caviar. 4 mains. We can only guess. But if they're 250 grams each, that's 1 kilo or 2 pound. Bit over 2 pound just in entrees or main meals itself. Right, here we go. First time I've seen one of these on YouTube. And same again. Wow. Apparently part of the Wagner Group. Taking it off one of them. Quite happy to take that off their hands at the moment in the world state of affairs. Okay, I'll put this back together. Wait a sec. Yep. It's like a absolute puzzle piece to put these back together. But we'll get their biscuits down in there, I believe. Yes. Thank you very much for coming. Okay. Before I put this out and bore you anymore, that'll come up in a future review. Very excited. I really do hope I took it off the Wagner Group. That must be a pack date there, because that's 20th of the 9th, 2022. And same with that. So, anyway, in future ferrymans, we shall open it up and check it out. Peace to you all. Thank you. Ferryman out. Future ferryman here, checking in on Cerberus. I found out what I'm eating. Stewed beef, top grade. Potato stew with meat. Rice with chicken and vegetables. Beef meatballs. Chicken pate. Processed cheese. Squash caviar. Army biscuits from wheat flour. Orange energy bar. Chocolate hazelnut paste. Apple jam. Tonic drink concentrate. Oh, that'll be a favourite, won't it? Black tea. Coffee granules. Sugar. Salt. Ground pepper. Water disinfection tablet. Portable heater. Waterproof matches. Disinfectant napkin. Paper napkin. Okay. Please like and subscribe. Ferryman now out. Cerberus thanks you too.